Hey everyone, in this video I'm talking about the flexible body of constructor. Let's we understand using example. First I create the one class of person which have name property and one constructor, and I assign this value when I create a constructor of person. Now second I extend this person class and create the constructor of employee. Here I pass a string and I call the parent class constructor using super keyword, and I create an instance of employee name Mansuri and I create one name method and add here SOP. Name is I print here. Now data type I change from here and I run this program, and we can see here there is no error, so it is successfully work. Now I call get method name employee dot get name. Now I run this program. It should be Mansuri, print there. Now name is person class Mansuri. Now I want to put any validation before the super. When I call super, I add here one SOP. Name is system. Outdoor name is not provided. And here I is blank and throw exception. Now I first check module setting. And here enable preview. Now I run this program and check validation throwing or not. Now currently I pass here value. Now I pass blank in a constructor. Now we can see here exception is throwing, name cannot be empty or null. So it is a preview features. So firstly it is introduced in Java 22 and second preview in 23 Java, and this is in a third preview in Java 24. So purpose of that, we can validate any logic before calling the super class constructor, so we can perform.